For starters, while the cameras may perform the same, the Phantom 3s can be easily repaired or upgraded. The Inspire 1's camera and gimbal, on the other hand, can be removed by releasing a lock and twisting it off. This not only makes it safer for travel, but future upgrades are possible for better or different cameras. Plus, DJI developed a mount to use the camera and gimbal as a handheld camera. The gimbal can also rotate the camera 360 degrees and tilt it 125 degrees, so instead of having to move the quadcopter around to get the shot you want, you can just move the camera. The gimbal itself is more substantial and designed for a higher level of stability and longevity than the Phantoms, which can be said for the rest of the quadcopter, too. From the carbon fiber landing gear that lifts and lowers automatically on takeoff and landing to its specially designed brushless motors that are powerful while being more efficient, the Inspire 1 is built for high performance. And the performance is noticeably swifter and smoother than the Phantom 3, which is excellent in its own right. The Inspire 1 handled high winds with ease, and the larger body makes it easier to spot in the sky. It also looks pretty badass, and I almost expected it to have lasers. Note to DJI, add lasers. Sitting to the back of the gimbal is DJI's vision positioning system, a set of sensors to help the Inspire 1 hover while indoors when GPS isn't available. There are many caveats for it to work properly, however, such as not flying over sound-absorbent materials, water, or highly reflective surfaces. Also, according to DJI's site, it's only effective up to about 16 feet, 5 meters. That's higher than the Phantom 3's 10-foot, 3-meter range, but still, if you're thinking of getting the Inspire 1 to fly above crowds in an arena or auditorium, you better up your piloting skills first.